Good afternoon, my people. Good day, good day, good day. Today I'm gonna prepare some cow skins, some red pea soup with cow skin, chicken foot, and chicken neck. Alright? So what me I gonna do now, man? I already pressure the cow skin because the cow skin was much tougher than the rest of the meat, then, right? So I had to pressure the cow skin first. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pressure the chicken foot with the red peas. Alright? And just follow me on this journey and watch how I do it. This is a stamina soup. Alright, my people. And just watch how I go. As you can see, you have yam, some breadfruit, Irish, cocoa, dasheen. Whoa. Soup rich. Now we have to get rid of the nails, you know? Most people cook with the nails still because they don't like the nail. Or we don't really eat the nail. Them chang soup of my people. Please join the live. Please join the live. Tap up the live, please. Thumbs up the live. Like the live. Subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friends it's all purpose kitchen on the live. Doing a live cooking. Some red pea soup. Right, my people, this is going on the pressure cooker pot, you know, with the peas. Same look. This is a soup pot, you know, but I cook the chicken neck in the pot because the chicken neck is softer than the chicken foot. So I get go and cooking at this. And then meanwhile the chicken foot and the peas go and cook. I already cook the cow skin already. So just stay tuned, man. I'll see everything on all the process. Yeah. Give thanks again. Clean up the phone, let them know. Get them ready for the pot there. Stay tuned, the people. Stay tuned. Please like up the live. Like up the live, people. Please. Touch the live. Touch the live button there. Please. And thanks. 2006 pattern. Come, my people, join the live. Please join the live. Lovely subscribers, family and friends, please join up the live, you know. Please, my people, join the live, please. Come on the live, people. I have something to show you people later on down in the live, so please join, please tune in. Alright? But what I'm about to show you guys, you cannot do it. Please don't do it at home. It's very dangerous. Live stream cooking, the people. Live stream cooking. It's a live stream cooking, the people. Live stream, you know. Can't saw the soup you have to reach, my people. My God. I know the cow skin or something. I get a nice thickness. Come on, little boy. Like up the live, my people. Like up the live. Please join the live. And people, I'll get it in another pot and do a sim up, you know. People. So this thing set. Want some cow skin paper? Cook already, you know. Coconut milk that we're going to have soap. Coconut juice, my people. Alright, and people, right? I'm gonna go and cook and the process, season and everything. The chicken to the full neck there. To go and cook. Season the chicken foot a cook. Cow skin cook already. I know I go and know what time it is. Please like up the live, people. Please like up the live. And share it to the friends and family. Tell your neighbor to look on this. Look on this. Run, come look on this. Live cooking a go on. Alright? Thank you all. So people, as I say, one little thing for showing you, know what, please don't try it. Because it's very dangerous. My friend almost fight me. Alright? So please, don't try it. It's a little trick, but it's all good, you know? Yeah, son? Don't worry about it. I'm a scallion, I have garlic here, I have thyme in this little thing here. I'm a powder seasoning here. Breadfruit, flour, cornmeal, salt. Everything is here to get everything prepared. Okay, my people, stay tuned and watch what's going on. Alright, my people. Peel up, man. Carrot, you know? Get me carrot peel up, in just have time, you know? Everything up and running. Live. And direct. Coming from All Purpose Kitchen TV, alright? Join the live, people. Please join the live. The live stream cooking, you know? Yeah. That's everything from scratch right to finish. So all who never know the boil toasting to red pea soup, what's our boil? Simple and easy. Simple one thing. you guys on the live, you want to ask me anything, you can ask me in the comment section. Join the live, please. Watch this live stream cooking. Alright? Please and thanks. And please, when you join the live, please thumbs up, please. Please thumbs up the video, please. Right? Live stream. Okay, I'm gonna put in a lot inside. Alright? I'm gonna Irish. Same time, not wasting no time. Please join the live, please. I'm gonna dice it up because I know it's easy to cook. I know you don't want it mashed out, huh? So just give the soup a little body. Start to finish, people. Beautiful red pea soup with cow skin and chicken neck and chicken foot. My. With some coconut milk in it. Now use a noodle, people. Now cook some red pea soup with cow skin, chicken foot and chicken neck. Yeah, that I do it. From Apple Yaman Bashir. Pork, you know? And I have everything else. I want half a breadfruit, you know? And one thing more. A spicy pot. Join the live, my people. Join the live. Please and thanks. Please join the live, please. Practically getting everything out of the pot. Everything prepared and ready. Actually, can I use a base to eat everything in it? Dash in. I think we just like that. Everything up and running. Live stream cooking. Come here, my people. I'm a regular phone in my family and friends and subscribers. I'm a regular phone in. Coming down to the end of the middle, you know. I got a little drama to do me too. I'm going to join the live and show how I go on, man. Join the live, people. Join the live. Please and thanks. Join the live. Please and thank you, people. Live stream cooking, you know. So I'm a subscriber for the day and so I'll go out. Yes, I'll hope when it's finished. Right, I'm going for the posting or something like rich, you know. Rich and nice. You got a flavor, you know. Creamy. So I get everything ready, you know. Everything already up, you know. Get the yam ready up right away. Now we have a time. Everything up in the pot, you know. Join the live, people. Please join the live. Please and thanks. Everything already up. One time. One cooking, people. Everything in a pot. One time. Their food are real full enough, people. But they're very easy to cook. A lot of food, people, a lot of food. spinners nicely. Alright. Get in them stuff and I pot, you know, people. Right away. Get rid of them stuff first. Tidy up my area. Yeah. Get me area tidy up, you know. I get it in my pot, you know, people. I know the chicken that now take long for cook, you know. You know, people. And now I get two little spinners in the pot, you know, people. You know, you can't cook soup without two spinners in it. So light up the pot, you know. Yeah. Oh. And let them collect them cook already, people. Okay. Oh. Up top. Go on, simmer, you know. Give this one 5 more minutes. Get him up and running. Get my hand wash off, you know, people. We need up some flour, you know. That's the lovely people. Subscribers and friends. I mean, I get some flour. Need up, you know? You know, I think go down already. Some caramel light, you know? The salt nice, you know? Yeah. Get the ball a roll. Right away. Join the live, people. Please join the live. And please, when you join the live, please thumbs up, please. Please beg you that support. Please and thanks. Free, please. Please and thanks, people. Thumbs up the video. Subscribe. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Touch the notification bell. And just press all. After you do so, you get everything what I'm doing. Alright? Please and thanks. Something ready already, there people. Something ready. Line up pot. Time to go in a pot, you know, people. Some little something like the man make, you know. Something big, you know. You know, people. So we are doing. Join the live, people. Join the live. There's some small ones, you know. Please join the live. Join the live. Please and thanks. Hope you have a wicked. Hope you have a nice people. Have all of two small okra but drop in IT, you know. Please join the live, people. Please and thanks. Please for the support. Please for the support. Please for the support. Please and thank you. Yeah, people. Give me a small store, you know. Right. You go and simmer them, you know? Clean up the area while I'm going, you know? Thank you, my people. You know? Everything here. I'm feeling like upper here and going at the things, you know? That thing upper and the top here. I think I'm going to put it. Kevin is trying and I think I'm going to put it. I'm a little wash already. You know? Yeah. A few pepper here. Put garlic and pottery and everything. So. Put some pepper and pepper. Spicy, you know? Yes, my people, just stay tuned and watch what I go on in the man. You don't know when the soup is done a bang, you know? It's gonna be a bang. You know? Tell me people, tell me how me looking at me apron. Talk to me subscribers. How me looking at my apron. And tell me how me looking at my apron. Tell me my main business. Okay? Thank you. Alright. I'll get my wash up again. Then wash up and come back my paper. Yes, so. Yeah, my people. There again. My. Nice, everything not gone in it yet. Wow. I need my people. Outside cooking. You can't get it from these people. Outside cooking, no? Outside, my people. Outside, my people. Outside, my you know? You don't know things that you, my people. Give and take. Yeah. I'm ready for the channel, I'm ready for the thing, people. Talk to me, you know. I don't want to look at thing, but please don't try it. Like, some people take it a different way, you know. So, my brethren take it a different way. I never expect him to take it a different way because it's just a little trick, you know. And it's not like, you know, we're a friend and thing and we do a thing. Just laugh it out, but we take it to a different level, you know. And we just leave him alone. I'm not going to show him still. And I'm going to tell him what I think about it, you know. I'm there, I'll bet the money, you know, better money to go on, you know. And all the things set. I never saw go on still. I never read the phone, you know. So, I don't know. I'm just stay tuned. And wait for that come up. Wait for that episode, yeah. That part coming up, you know. I have a few cayenne pepper here. Put them and drop them in the pot. And wait up it's spicy, you know. Can't put too much in it because it's too hot, you know. Alright, look like that first side that's done now. And the tea is ready. 20 minutes of tea cooking the chicken foot. Alright, so transfer to the soup pot on the people. Transfer the cow skin because the cow skin is already cooked already as I tell you. So now we're going to put that and mash out, you know. So I'll get everything together shortly and just prepare. So what do I want? Alive when I get it, you know. Live people, live. Don't try it at home, yeah people? Very dangerous. You have to have the skill, you know, like to fly off and mess you up. Don't try it like that. Okay? You don't try it like that. How you see me do it? Don't try it. Put it under some water and make the pot cool before you do that. Because it's very dangerous. Alright? Please join the live. Please, please, please. Come people. Join the live. Join the live, no man. Support the all-purpose kitchen boys, man. Boy, one boy. Give me the support, people. Please. Asking for the support, please. Like, share, thumbs up. Tell a friend, alright? Thank you. Want the support, people. Want the support. We can move, you know, but, you know, we go and cool it come out. You have to skill my people. We do it like this because it will fly off as I tell you and cause damage. Burn you up and all them things. So that's something we do all the while. Kind of know, you know, how to do it, you know. See it? Come on, easily. can pull now. Mm. You see that? One, two. Yeah. But can pull right away. I'm going to transfer the peas in the pot. I'm going to test it if it cook for here, people. Don't. Transfer the peas and the peas in the pot, people. Young people. Red peas soup are here. Alright, my people. Now I go on now. Cow skin are going up at now. Right away. Straight in a pot, cow skin are going now. I go and simmer down. I put in the scallion same time I go and cook with it. And then, so you reach my people, I say, go and cook. Right away I put in the scallion, my people. Scallion, get them up and running, you know? Yeah. Coat and milk are going same time to my people. No waste no time, you know? Everything go and simmer. Coat and milk same time, my people. Same time. Get some seasoning night, some pimento and stuff. Some powder seasoning. Alright, man. So rich, you know, my people. Okay. And you start simmer down it. Whoa. Let it make it go and cook down, my people. Leave make it go and cook, you know? Yeah. Taste it, you know, my people. a little first and we know if you want no salt or can add anything else to it, you know. Mm. So my people, please join the live now, man. Join the line and support the boy now, man. Don't know anything going on. One help one, you know. Please, I beg you. Don't know anything, say. Please, thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Put the notification bell. I'll upload the next video. Yeah, first have to get it. Just the notification bell, then press all, alright? And you will get everything that I put out, alright? So please, help me, man. Help me to reach 1,000 subscribers, man. Please and thanks. And beyond, you know? I look for no support, people. Please and thanks. Please and thanks. We need the support, you know? Alright. You know, if you don't want the drama, you know, people don't want the drama. I'm going to show you a little thing. Tell them something, I'm going to tell them I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I'm going to see how I go on. Because sometimes you do some things and you think you take it for fun, but other people take it serious, you know? Because that's just life still. I mean, you never know some of my brethren take it so serious, you know? Almost war me. I just make him take the money and go on. I'll do a me win, you know? I'll just make him go on with it. I never expect some boy or something like that me ever do. Like it looks so real to him that there's no way I could have win. He could have won, you know? But it looks so real to him. But you never know what comes. You guys ready for the challenge? Okay. I'm looking at object. Alright. So we'll be back. What people? The object this. The object here. Like look. For the object. Alright. So I'll put it out here. So. Right here. Okay. Alright. Watch me. The object here, people. Look, you know. Put it right here. Alright, I'm gonna ask her. I tell her, so please, I make tell her, so. I bet you she not take it up before me. She gotta beside the stone, you know. Me I gotta a distance from it. But I bet her she can't take up the stone before me. Alright, see the distance. See the distance of me I gotta here. This is the distance of me I gotta. Come on the stone. Alright. You stand up on the stone. Alright. Now count to 3. She gonna try to take up the stone before me. Me and her facing to it, right? She gonna try to take up the stone before me, right? Alright. Now count to 3. And then if she take up the stone before me, you know, she win the prize. Okay? Alright. 1. You ready?
Yes.
2, 3. Yes, what happened, people? She take up the stone behind me. You understand? She take up the stone behind me. She don't take it up before me, you know. So who win the channel? Who win the challenge? Because me and her facing the stone. I'm tell her she can't take it up before me. So she thought it was she gonna win to take it up, like grab it up, you know. But she take it up behind me. I spin like this. I spin like this, take up the stone behind, but this is don't take it up before me, so I'm me win. You understand, people? That my friend nearly killed me for him. And I say nothing can't go so Him say nothing can't go like that. Because he don't understand. He say if you take it up before me, you win. But if you turn me back, give him and he take it up and grab it up with the people. I'm thinking that I run, come grab it up. And grab it up with us. Thumbs up in the air. You say you win, you take it up behind me, Papa. Man, so we are a foolish attack. So you see it? Simple. You have to just make him go out with the money and get mad. Yeah? Same things that man. But please, no, don't try it, you know. It's very dangerous. And some people now take it lightly. Okay? You want the riddle? And I'm going to the riddle. And please, leave it answer in the comment section, alright? The riddle is 2 trucks going in the opposite direction. Right? On the highway. What time truck pass each other? What time the 2 truck pass each other? Remember, the 2 truck going in the opposite direction. One coming this way and one going that way. So tell me what time the truck pass each other. Alright? That's the quiz for you guys. So leave the comments and I'll leave the answer. If you get the answer, yeah. If you don't get it, I'll tell you the answer next week. Alright? Or sometime in the week. Okay? Stay tuned and watch what's going on. Work from a pot. Whoa. You see it, rich people? Look at it. Look here, people. Here. My God. Cow skin and all. Tick. Pepper. 2 okra. Yellow yam. I turn on the stove now because it's a too high now, people. If I get too high, to stick. Taste and see if it wants some salt, you know. Yeah. Need salt, my people. Banger soup, you know, my people. Cow skin, chicken neck, and chicken foot with red peas. Wow. Authentic food and food, you know, people. Still need a little salt, you know. Need something more. Make it go and simmer. Then I'll give it another taste. And then anything else it need. I'll put this red pepper in it, you know. So remember the regular people, please put the answer in the comment section. You can put the answer in the comment section after the live finished. Maybe we're not going to be able to see it when you say the answer now. But you can put it after the live and we'll get right back to you guys. Please and thanks. Remember I said 2 trucks going in the opposite direction. What time do they pass each other? And you see the challenge? Don't try it at home. Very dangerous. Some people take things different. Okay? So please like, share, subscribe. Friend to tell a friend. So he thinks that we have well a drama over here now. We just jolly and nice, you know. We don't make nothing bother with, you know. Because don't do anything. Everything we do we just take it for fun, you know. See my people. He's not a warmonger person, we just love. Just like everybody. You know? We say we no love, we love everybody. Because we are the it's God bless people, you know. You know people know so when we are youth, you know. When we are youth, you know. When Anansi and Tukuma, you know what Anansi and Tukuma? When we are youth. And we used to Anansi very smart and Anansi Tukuma boil the porridge and you know, hot cup of porridge Tukuma boil, you know. And she out Anansi one, you know, because Anansi said, boy, I'm the first one I go down eat and think I'm going to drink the porridge hot. You know what I mean? So what him do? Anansi smart, you know. Tukuma now have no sense because Tukuma said, boy, like wait up. Anansi I'm put him in the sun. To make it get hotter because that's too cold for him drinking. So Tukuma do that. What? So you're bad man. You're going to make it hotter and this so hot? You want to see why you're going to drink that? Anansi, don't worry yourself. Just put it in the sun and get hotter. But they not even know say, Tukuma not even know say, I cool the porridge I cool because the breeze a blow, the steam a blow. Anansi give out on 25 minutes, 30 minutes. And check. I say not hot yet man. Want more hotter. The people Tukuma did a sub fame one because be more hot, you know. And then one did a cool in the process, you know. So him do check again and say can't drink it because whop and drink it up. Tukuma can't believe because Anansi do. Anansi drink a hot porridge. And theme porridge I burn up theme mouth. I don't know say a chicken and the chicken. Simple, you know, people, you have to be careful in the world, you know. People use some simple little thing and trick, you know. Simple little thing and just have to listen to people talk. That's why you have some tricks out there, you know. And people, I tell her this. You used to work with a company. And every Friday we get paid. You used to say, no man can trick me. No? You used to say, nobody can trick me, no people. Nobody can trick me. Because I used to hear them get tricked by people and things. And, you know? I say, no man can trick me. And I really get tricked me as a people. When I get tricked me, I say, boy, how this happened to me? You know? One Friday, I get me pay, no people. I check who gets it, so I have a bank, but change it. So when I go to the bank, and in the line, you see a man stand up at the corner in the bank, one of the posts you for watch. Anyway, I go up in the line and go to the teller and get my money. Push down my pocket and I come out. The man approach me. But the man say, young man, I ask him a favor if he can do something for me because my daughter having keeping a party for my daughter. And I need some cash to buy. Them time the Heineken cheap, you know, people. A 6-pack of Heineken, you know, for the wholesale. So, me, you know, I say, boy, I spraying work I doing, because I used to spray French and things, so I kind of spray up on my show, spray up and things, and the man have a bunch of keys, so, you know. So the man I say, boy, I'm go to the teller and tell them, say, boy, I don't want the US, they don't want any US. Them time I pray. Them can't change the US and them can't this and that, and so, he want the money to borrow $100 from me. For purchase the liquor them and he give him back 50 US. You know? So my little pay when me have along me I say, boy, my brethren there, you know, but my brethren realize say I trick him and I trick him, but him not even pinch me and say, boy, come with him man. Say, alright, me gone and leave me alone. So me dead on a contemplate. I say, boy, if this a $50 US go for my pay, enough money me I have. You know? The paper, the man still in my ears. Say my borrow $100 same man. I say, I don't have no $100, I don't get no $100 change, man. Man say, check your pocket, man. And I say, I don't get no $100 change, man. Man still insists, you know. But me kind of think, I say, I want every money a trick that. But him still I get to me, I say, boy, I'm about some sneakers and I'm shoes back and I'm car back. He can what size me wear, I tell him what size me wear, and I say, you never all a Nike sneakers can fit you, man. Then time you know Nike a brand, you know, people. Yeah, you them time you know say when you have a Nike, you know, people look for you a certain way, you know. Man say me have a Nike sneakers and a bunch of keys, you know. And he carry my car park right there. And I say, can give me a sneakers out of the back and thing, and we just help him out to get the give me 100 and make him just purchase a 6 pack of Heineken for care for his daughter. Like a part where he keep and thing. I have some friend up there and thing, you know. So I contemplate and I say, I'm gonna give you $50 US now because the bank don't want to take it from me, so I'll give you it. And me there I said, John no star, $50 I got enough of my money, you know. So people, I don't know how I do it, you know. Remember, you know, I have that money in my pocket, you know. And I push me down in my pocket, you know, people. And squeeze out the $100 out of my money, you know. I don't know how I do it. Because more other different money, $50 in my pocket, you know, $1,000 in my pocket. And I squeeze out the $100 out of the money, I mean, you know, and take it out and give. And people, the man look at me and say, and give me $5. And say, I go buy one scandal bag up at the wholesale vape. People, so when I take the $5 from the man and go up at the wholesale and go buy the scandal bag, when I come down there, there's no way the man to be found. Can't see me, I search everywhere. Ask all people, if them see the man with stand up and say, people say, them not see nobody. You know what I say? So the man eventually scammed me $95. Can give him back $5 for buy the bag. You see, and all the bag. Every week I go to bank people, I look for him. You can't see him. So I say, never say things can happen to you because me used to say nobody can't scam me. And him scam me. Simple as that. Because him get to me head and realize that when I talk about US, me kind of get jiggy like, I say yes, and I say my kind of face kind of bright up and out, I say yes, the US. I big up my pay, you know? Me even tell the brethren, say, yo, I get 50 US, now I do the job, I give them a man say, no sir, I'm going to look for him data, I'm going to go for him data. And left me alone. Left me alone with the man, people. And the man robbed me $95 and gone. Every week I go back to look for him and I see. Not again, the people. People are so pretty, see? Look here, my people. Guys, so rich. There. My gums. I get another taste now, because maybe need some things. Yeah, man, I need some more salt, man. It's still fresh. Get some more salt tonight, you know? And put out the rest of the season night, you know? Get some more salt tonight, anyway. So people don't see what's going on. So my next birthday, you know, and he works same place, you know, people. And he must say, yo, no man can pick him. And he have him wallet, you know, in his pocket. He said, no man can pick him, people. And we are bus stop, I wait for a bus. And a bus come ramming a man. And 2 people come off and the doctor, them a push up people and both people stand up at the bus step, you know. He a force the way to go up in the bus, you know. Man. You know which man going in his pocket, you know, people. But man going in his pocket and gone with his wallet. And the doctor, the bus reach halfway. And the doctor said, fear. Everybody up him and dig up his pocket. I wonder when wallet there. You have a little bag across the way, so I search his bag. You can't find his wallet, you search his pocket, I must say. Me up by the bus front, you know, people. And the man look at the bus back, you know. And then get the man shout me like this, I say, Dave, them pick me. You have to pay man fear no people, because him say the man can't pick him, you know. That is to say, you know, no man can't pick him. And me I tell you, you leave for nothing in the bus back, Dave, them pick me. Say laugh, as the people. Nah, so nothing can happen to me, no people, because as I say, You have some whole of tricksters people out there who really know if you get around and know if you do things and they study that. But for them job, how if can you. You know what I mean, people? Mm. So you have to be careful and be careful of surrounding because you have some dangerous coat out there, you know? Mm. But please again, people, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. You don't know a thing about. Share with the family and friend. You see me? Yeah, man, a blessing, man. Soup go and simmer, you know? Join the live. Please join the live. Beg you know. I don't know, I try a thing, you know? We need the support. Please and thanks to people. Asking for the support. Please join the live. Please. Yeah. And remember, please touch the thumbs up button, alright? Please and thanks. That is the ultimate goal for you to touch the thumbs up button. Mm-hmm. If you already subscribed, please just touch the thumbs up button. Please. You hear me? I'm beg on the people. Don't know anything, go. This is a live cooking. You see it? Live stream. So you know anything, go. I want to tell me I'm looking at my suit, you know. How my baby look, people. Tell me if it look good in the people. Okay? Now my shorts and thing, socks and thing, and my slippers and thing. Look here. How me look? I can go on. I want to go to Usain Bolt style, but I don't really like it, you know. How me look, people? Yeah. I think you fit me. Now tell me, you know, man. I can go on. Yeah, man. This we love doing, we love cooking, you know. We really love cooking, you know. Our thing this. And you talk about cooking, call my name. Love cook. Alright, my people. So please again like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Please. Thumbs up, my people. Please just see that. And this, you know. And just this. Here goes up. You don't have to use this. You can't just go say that list. Simple. Anyone in your finger there. Your eyes and touch it up. You see thumbs up. Here goes up. Don't need them. Subscribe. Don't need them. No problem, man. Like, a simple thing. So I'm beg you, please just lend the support, no man. No problem, man. You know me love you, no? I know you love me too. You ain't gonna think I just say this for you to get thumbs up and subscribe. No, man. I love everybody. Yeah? A pure love build me up here. I can't tell you that. Pure love build me up. I don't end against nobody. Can't tell you that. Yeah, man. Really and truly. You know? Passionate about people. That's me that. And if we can help anybody in any way, once we can do it, no problem. I mean that. I like to see people happy. I like to smile on people's face. Me that. Just like when the colors do things, and someone do me thing too. And can help a lot of people too. Because my ultimate goal of people. I'm telling you. Yeah. And I don't know things that you know. Knowing people hungry, you know. Not a good look, you know. Not a good sight, you know. People hungry, you know. Yeah, man. Many people not eat for days, you know, people. Can't find a meal, you know. But you see, enough people take it for granted, them have it wagga wagga and take it for granted and waste food and all that stuff, man. Oh, man. No like the food waste, man. Just, you know, that's the thing sets, you know. I wish I could have seen me in person and see the type of person he is, you know, because I tell you, genuine you, real genuine, I tell you. Lovable, you know, really lovable person. Fun going person, you know, no make nothing bad on my people. No matter how you see it. And go and know, say, boom, things that bother me, just turn to the Father and pray and just leave it to them. And he fix it. He fix it, you know. there you go. I'm gonna make nothing bad on the day. So as you can see, super come down to nitty gritty now, you know. So I go and share out and thing. But you know we can't drink it's a hot still, but you know, make one so I go and still, you know. Mm-hmm. So you know, like, share and subscribe again. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Please. Come on the live people. Easy to just go boom and touch the thumbs up one. If you subscribe already. Appreciate it. Yeah man. Give thanks to everyone who watch. Yeah man. A blessing man. More love and joy and respect to everybody, you know. As I say people, if you don't want to prepare something, you want to see me cook something, I want to like, or I want to see me do it, just put it in the comment section, man. But you have to do it like, you know, after the video, after the live, whenever you have to see type, so you think I move fast like that? Yeah, so, don't know. I want to connect with I pop the paper. Come here. Come here. So how rich it is. So look how rich it is. Watch here people. Soup for days people. Soup for days. My God. You get people? Oh. You know you guys gonna look point and say boy the soup look rich and nice. It's rich and nice. Yeah man. When you subscriber once, I'm just say the word no man. And tell them where them can come man. The people, cow skin soft and jelly. Nice. I pay a gummy in the soup people. Soup gummy man. Gummy bad. Them soup are good for the bone and the joints, you know. If I get up off your bed and you feel it because of pipe, or you kneel long and I get a pipe, and soup are going at the bone man, right now the joints. The cow skin, large into joints. Yeah. So I'm going to go on for the sharings, you know. I'm coming right back. So it rich, my people. Rich and nice. Aja. Thick and nice. No cow skin mash out tonight, people. Give it a nice flavor, you know. Done, you know, people. Done it really done, me, I'm telling you. Dish more and dish out some. One dish out some item and one so I go and feed, you know. Mm. The babies in the bowl, you know. Hey, rich soup. Aja, my people. Aja. Ooh. Mm-mm. The baby, me know say. No must see what I go on. Go ahead, Rich. Oh, God. I want to know some cravings when the people because me eat quite a bit. Not a lot. Quite a bit. I don't go drink no more yet. Well out in the people. See it there? Well out in the people. Well out. Watch me people, watch here. Look at people. I got taste it, me gonna see what I go on. It's cool though. Yes, people. See it here? I this you know? Live cooking. Recipe soup and everything, watch it. Very nice. Look for the texture of the soup, people. See that? Ajay. No noodle in it, no, people. Just some coconut milk, yeah? Rich and nice. You see it? So maybe I'm gonna again like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. You understand? Please thumbs up the video. Please. I'm gonna taste it, I'm gonna see you people. People. I'm saying for something, man. I not exaggerate, man. It's so creamy and nice, man. Cow skin mash out nice, just rich and, you know. People never try it at home, you know. A good soap there's a drink, you know. Nutrients in this soap, yeah. Cow skin, whoa, you people. No come, man. You know, I can't drink it off like this. I don't know where go. Well hot. People, the cow skin mash up nice, you know. I mean, I tell you, say, you know where that go. You know where that go. Rich. Rent his plate, come fit now. No come fit, man. There enough. My. People, nah lie, you know. I drink that soup every day. And through me cook it, it's nice, people. I'm telling you. The cow skin mash out, you know, people. So you know, say gummy. And my lip can lap to each other. Lip can lap. Watch it. Where gummy? Stamina soap. Should have some peanut night to people. Some peanut should have in it with the red peas. Bad. People, I'm gonna go stay and drink this soup and I'm gonna make it cool, you know. Kind hot. So, please, I tell you again, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell us, and please don't come on for the video, man. Just thumbs up, man. Please and thanks. The soup, hot still, no people. You must try this at home, yeah? Try cooking. I know that the kids them that love the same way. All who don't love soup, they love that one. It's hot, people, it's hot. Call for the chicken neck, people. Just slide off my bone. You people? People. These the people join the line, man. Enjoy soup with me. I'm gonna look and say, boy, soup look tasty. But it tasty for real. And you can try it at home and see them chicken neck, cow skin, chicken foot. But most people like blend it, them pressure everything together, but then normally sometimes the cow skin tough, so the rest of things they will cook before it, and then the cow skin still tough. So I mean normally just pressure the cow skin first. Yeah. And then we just pressure the peas and the chicken foot. I have to put the chicken neck with the pressure the peas because the chicken neck more easier for cook. So I'm just put the chicken neck in the pot where I go cook the soup in and make it go and cook. And then just chance for everything that is one pot, you know? And up and running. Cause the cow skin, people. The cow skin is now. People, the beer milk. I eat a pepper, people. When I climb pepper, beer milk, I can't take up more soup, please and thanks. What am I about one up, people? What am I about one up, people? I can't take up the more soup. Wait. Woo. People are cream up next second with a spoon. Now my belly hot, people. Inside my tummy, heat up. Oh boy. More one of people now learn. So breadfruit full and nice. Makes it properly cool. And more the pan fire people. Mm. The siren people no life me there, but I can't help it. I'm not born for real. There's nothing I can do about it. You have to do it like this. If I burn up my mouth, man. Mm. People look there. When it's a super cool, you can't drink. Cut off, go cut it. You wear rich and thick. Here it comes. Mm. Yeah, I'm nice people. Whenever I eat yellow, I'm like, kind of have a like a gum teeth, gummy, hold the spoon. Yeah, nice yam this like dry and nice. Yeah man. Mm. You know, the body is my heart people. Mm. Pepper deal me hard. No, no, no. If the pepper was some of them I couldn't really get. Not lick him back. Not tell him, not burn him back people. Yeah. I hot man. Mm. Some people know say you do the live stream from start to finish. I sit down and eat it, I gonna see what I go on. So please, whosoever watching me now, please thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Please and thanks. I'm still has to take time over to tell all the people them thanks who are on the VIP live right now. Who support me. Give thanks. Mm. See how skin look? Jelly and nice. Mm. Soft and nice people. Mm. Them things are going in your back still, you know, cow skin juice. Thickness side. Going in your knee joints and them things. You have a back pain and something and eat it. You're good to go. You can make cow skin smoothie, you know. All you have to do is cook the cow skin and blend it up with your peanut and your oats and everything. Really nice juice that. Somebody will suffer from knee pain and all them something there. You can cook the cow skin, blend it like done cook with your peanut and your oats. And put whatever you want, put tonight, a little supple gin and maybe some dragon and a little toops aroma or something. You know? Remember. But right down there anywhere you feel the pain or your back or any part of your body you feel pain, you know? Mm. Enough little remedy out there, people. People who don't know that. People will say, oh, that cocky that can't drink, that's all too slimy and rare. And I know so that's very good for your body. Mm. Yeah. Please join the live, please. If you just join the live, please thumbs up. Just join me know so the food finish cook and we eat now. Please thumbs up. People. Just to get energy thing, people. Energy soup. It's not a play soup, you know? And juicy fat cows there. Even the older set of people who feel pain in them knee and so, you can get the cow skin and blend it, boil it, cook it, make it soft and blend it, peanut and oats and drink it. Good for them knee, you know, and feel pain in them knee and so. Good for you. The guy that we play football and cricket and them thing I run up and down. Them soup are good for you. No joke. My mouth gummy people. I say gummy. My. So all you guys out there, your mother feel pain of them knee and thing and everything. Just get the cow skin and boil it, man, and blend it. And make a juice out of it. And good. And give her a drink, you know. That will help her knee. Any joints, you know. I know joke thing I'm telling the people, I serious something, you know. Any joints, I get problem. This fix it. People, go back in my pot, you know. But not now, later. Because tummy kind of full, you know. Thumbs up the video, please. Subscribe. Tell a friend. Please, my people. And thanks. Without you, I can't reach away, no people. You have to give me the support. Here. You ask sweet, you know? Curry coast getting nice, no people. And cover the cow skin now. Mm. With white rice. My God. And have your butter bean night for nicer people. Yeah. Mm. Keep your belly full. Belly full like wow. Mm. Coming real full. Mm. Mm. People can try it at home, man. A real nice meal for have, you know? Real nice and good healthy meal this. I'm telling you. Protein, lot of stuff in it. Real healthy for you guys. Mm. Mm. People, look at left in that plate. I can't get him. Belly full like wow. I mean, I go too craving and pussy. Mm. I mean, I go pussy and busting belly, people. So please, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend. Please, when you're watching the video, please, thumbs up, please. Just lend me the support, please. Ask for the support, please, thumbs up, okay? And thank you all for watching. All who come on the live today. Thank you all, and God bless you all. And keep you, you know. So, next time when you see me on the journey again, and each time when you see me, that different thing, so I don't know a thing go. Thank you for the support, alright? God bless you all. Please thumbs up. Please thumbs up the video, okay? Just touch the thumbs up button. Touch the subscribe button. Touch the notification bell. Fix me up, no man. Fix me up, people. I beg you to fix up, please. Thanks. See you again.